Hey guys, my name is Bree and I'm going to be your choreographer for this year's Knights of North Castle music videos. This is my assistant John and he's going to be helping me out today. Right now we're about to teach Giants in the Land, and just remember, always mirror what we are doing. I raise my right hand, you raise your left. My left foot is your right foot. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into this. Alright, so the very beginning of the song we're going to say, the bigger they come, the harder they fall. So you're going to take your left hand first, bigger they come, then the harder they fall. Alright? So that's left and then right on top, and then you're going to spin and fist all the way down, okay? Make sure you're bending your knees when you come down. So that's bigger they come, then the harder they fall. Bigger they come, then the harder they fall. Bigger they come, then the harder they fall, all right? So for this first verse, we're going to start by sneaking around the room, okay? So you're going to be on your tiptoes, and you're going to be creeping around, trying to make sure that the giants don't see you. Shh, don't say anything, okay? We're going to be creeping around. We're going to be moving on each of those beats, okay? So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do that for 4 8 counts, and on the last chunk of that, okay, the last 8 count, we're going to pop up on that 8, okay? So we're sneaking around the room, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you're going to be back in your spot by that last 8, okay? So we're going to pop up. They may look big. You're going to go to your left. Make sure this arm is back behind your back. Your left arm is right above your eyebrows, okay? They may look big. They may look tall. The bigger they come, the harder they fall. They may look big. They may look tall. The bigger they come, the harder they fall, all right? So we're going to do that a couple of times, and then we're going to jump into the chorus, all right? So for our chorus, we're going to start with the word giant. This is our move. It's actually ASL for monster. So you're just going to pop up on your toes, and you're going to bring your hands out and go like this, okay? So that's giant or monster, okay? So giants in the land, you're going to step forward with your left and bring your arms all the way across. And then Jesus is greater than the giants in the land. Step back with your right. So I won't be afraid. Okay, write down on the frame of all the giants in the land. Step forward again. Clothed in the armor of Christ, I'll stand against the giants in the land. And we're going to go oh, oh, oh. Okay, so we're going to start left, right, left, right. Giants in the land, left, right, left, right. Okay? So for our second verse, we're going to start by stepping in place. You're going to take your left arm, right foot. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Double clap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But wait, don't double clap. You're going to actually pop back up like the giants just found you, all right? So again, when we do it down here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and we're going to go back into may look big, may look tall, bigger they come, harder they fall. All right? Now we're going to go ahead and do it with the music.
When temptation's big and my faith seems small, Jesus help me to surrender to the one who's able to deliver me, my shield and my defender. Though I walk through valleys, I will not fear. 'Cause Jesus, I know you are with me. Your power's greater than my enemies. My shield
Let's do this. Stand. Very straight.